So today we're going to go ahead and create a multi-view drawing of our charm. And at this point, I want to point out a few things. If you notice, right now we are in the Part Studio tab. There is an Assembly tab, and if you click on that, nothing's in it. And the reason being is because we haven't gone through how to create an assembly, which is when you have more than one part and you put it together. Because we are not using this, and I'm not using it, I'm going to right-click it and delete it. But what we need to do is we need to add a new element, which means we need to add a new tab. And in this case, because we're creating a multi-view drawing, we need to add a drawing. So click on Create Drawing. This option is going to come up, ANSI. Keep it here. Go ahead and click on the one with no views. What the ANSI is basically a international standard of how to set up technical drawings so that it can be easily communicated across multiple different industries and people. Okay. So click OK. Now, as we are in the program is loading, I want to point out a few things on this drawing sheet. Down in the right-hand corner, there's what we call a title block. And in here, even if I zoom in, you'll notice it will automatically say my name. It gives the date. And then you will be able to enter additional information in here. But don't do it yet, because if you notice, I have this window open. And that should come up right away as your initial prompt, because it's asking you to select a part or assembly that you want to insert in. Okay, so basically what happened is automatically it shows this insert view tool. So I want to insert this part, and if you notice, the view that it's currently going to show is this front view. So I'm going to make sure the front view is in the lower left corner. And why is that? Because the front view always has to be in the lower left corner. Okay, so I'll click once. Now I'm going to go ahead and move it over to the right. And this is going to be the right side view. And click to make that stay. And now I'm also, if you notice, the little boxes aren't showing up again. That's not a big deal. But if you notice, this projected view tool up at the top is still highlighted. So what that means is I want to click on this front view again, because I want to pull from that now the top view. Okay? Because remember, as we discussed, the top view and the right side view really are all projected views from that front view. Okay? So I'm going to click to make that stay. And now I'm also going to click here, and I'm going to now project and create the isometric view. And click to make that stay. And if you notice, we have our multi-view drawing. Here's the front, here's the top view, here's the right side view, and here's the isometric view.